Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick video on how to duplicate your module content in your Canvas courses. So if you click on modules, you can duplicate an entire module, but you can't duplicate it if there is a quiz in the module. I don't know why this is. This is just the way it is. So the trick to this is to drag the quiz into another module. And now you'll click the three dots and you'll be able to duplicate your entire module. And you'll see it gets the word copy appended to the end of it. And then you can drag your quiz right back up wherever you need it. You'll see I no longer have that duplicate option. This one has no quiz in it and I can duplicate it. The other thing that you can do is hit the three dots here and you can duplicate each item one by one right here, and then you can drag it into a new module. It is easiest just to drag the quiz out and duplicate the entire module, but either way works. I hope this quick video was helpful. You can see other tips and tricks at hartnell.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.